What's up, guys? Are you looking for a new construction home with dual primary bedroom? Well, don't go anywhere, guys, because behind me we are going to be touring the Pine floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Opus by Taylor Morrison here in Cadence, Henderson. Now, we are located in Cadence, beautiful master plan community. We're about 25-30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. This is the most affordable master plan community in the Vegas Valley, $75 a month. That's going to include like parks, trails, you have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, you have splash pads, and much more that I can't think of right now. But I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So here at Opus, they have two different collections, okay? Altogether, they offer 10 floor plans. They offer 5 different floor plans in the Harmony collection, and then 5 different floor plans in the Melody collection, okay? Now, these floor plans are gonna be 2 to 3 story homes ranging from about 1856 square feet to about close to 2,800 square feet, okay? Now, when you look at the base prices, which I'll have listed on the screen, just know that the base price, if you want to calculate your total price, is you have to add in the lot premium as well as the upgrades, okay? So far what I'm being told is lot premiums are ranging from about 0 to 40,000 for the lot premiums. As far as upgrades, buyers, normally are putting in about $40,000 to like $70,000 worth of upgrades. So that's totally dependent on you, especially with some of the structural upgrades that you can make. Now, this community has a mixture of both move-in ready, quick move-in, and build from ground ups. All right. So if you want the best deal, I would definitely get with aim for a move-in ready home. But if you want to choose your options and go through that process, the build time is going to be about 5 to 6 months. And you can literally pick out all your options and make the house the way you want it, okay? A couple of things about the community is they're gonna have 202 lots available here. They just opened up, today is February 17, 2025, so they just opened up like a couple of weeks ago. As far as like the backyard depth, on average, you're looking at about a 17 feet deep backyard, but that's really dependent on the lot size and especially the model that you choose, right? The smaller homes you're probably gonna have a larger backyard. But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, so welcome to the Pine floor plan. Now, the Pine floor plan is part of the Harmony collection here at Opus. Now, this is gonna be 2,779 square feet, 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3 to 4.5 bath, 3-story, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $525,990, okay? So remember, when you see that, you also have to, be aware of lot premiums as well as upgrades. Okay, so out the door, they do have some move-in ready homes as well. It's going to be priced around low to mid 600s. Okay, but yeah, see, from the front, it looks like a 2-story, but when you look at the side, that 3rd floor, all that is you're going to have an extra loft and an owner suite. So this house has 2 owner suites, okay, and a balcony. So yeah, let's take a look. Front landscaping is included, okay? Paver driveway is included as well. Okay, so inside the garage, you're gonna have a tankless water heater, all right, as well as a water softener loop. And remember, they pretty much do it all at this Taylor Morrison community as far as like availability. They have homes that are move-in ready, quick move-ins, as well as if you want to build your own lot from dirt. Okay. So this is what you see. What you see as soon as you walk in, you're gonna have to the left. You're gonna have the door to your garage, which is locked because they usually use that as storage. To the left right here, you're gonna have stairs that go to the second floor. And then you're gonna have like your main living area, okay? Now this is a study room, as you see right here, but if you build from ground up, you have the option to turn this into a 6-bedroom if you like, okay? Also, another great thing about this community in Taylor Morrison is you're gonna get 9-foot ceilings on the first, second, and third floor, and that is standard, which is amazing. So welcome to the kitchen. Now everything that you're seeing here is upgraded, okay? The standard features are gonna include a granite countertop, which I believe you have like 2 or 3 options of granite. If you want to keep your cabinet standard, you would have a 36-inch cabinet. So this is a 42-inch cabinet. And then you only have one color that's standard. It's gonna be like the maple oak color. And then as far as the flooring goes, because flooring is such a common type of upgrade buyers will do, what's standard, you'd have carpet all throughout the first floor, pretty much all throughout the home. And then you'd have a 17 by 17 ceramic tile in the wet areas. So the wet areas would be like, you know, the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, and the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, and entryway. Okay, and if you wanted this nice like 24 by 24 tile, you know, this is definitely an option as well. Got a nice backsplash there. Okay, so this is going to be your pantry. So pretty decent sized pantry. So this is going to be the backyard. Now on average, most backyards, I would say the average depth of the backyard in this community is going to be 17 feet deep, but you know, just depending on the lot and then also the floor plan. So you can definitely get a lot with a deeper backyard. Okay, so this is the study room. I believe this is the standard option. Okay, so you have some storage space right here. Okay, so you'll have your powder room. And then this is going to be your coat closet right in here. Okay, so, you know, initially walking in, it could feel a little bit tighter, considering it's a 2,700 square feet plan. But once you go to the second and third floor, I feel like it, then, yeah, you'll start realizing the square footage. It actually, the house actually, to me, it seems a little bit larger than 2,700 square feet. Especially when you go to like the third floor. Okay, so you have your loft right here. There's gonna be your primary bedroom. You're gonna have your laundry room right there. And then you're gonna have 2 bedrooms over here, I believe. Okay, so you'll have your linen closet. Again, 9-foot ceilings in this floor as well. Okay. So you have this guest bedroom. Now, if you're building from ground up, you're not going to have any of these lights or the pre-wire to the ceiling fan. So, you know, that would be an upgrade. Usually most buyers at least will do that right there, the pre-wire to the ceiling fan. So that way you could have like a fan and a light. Okay, so walk-in closet. And right here, you're gonna have your full bath. We'll get there in just a second. So here, this is the other guest bedroom. Okay, this is gonna be, I wanna say a queen size bed. Now, if you're curious to know dimensions, just let me know. I could find out for you. And also too, if you're in the market for a new construction home or even a resale home, but more so like new construction, and you know, you're thinking about going to a new construction community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they're there with you on your very first visit. Just avoid going by yourself, because if you walk into a new construction community by yourself, the builder agent there is going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. And once you provide that information, they're going to log you in their system with no representation. And guys, like there's at that point, there's no way a realtor could help you out, okay? But the builder agents, what's important to know is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So, you know, definitely important to get representation. Now, as far as the appliances, I think the refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. Also, these are optional right here, these upper cabinets, okay? Here, head to the, this is the primary bedroom. Then this floor plan has dual suites, so there's one on the 3rd floor. Okay, I like this really large window here. Okay, little view of Cadence. Again, Cadence. Plenty of amenities, especially for the HOA that you pay here. I think it's what, $75 a month, I believe. Cadence has parks, swimming pools, a lot of activity here. Okay, cool. So you have your dual sinks. Now this is a structural upgrade that you can do. All right, very popular to have the that large walk-in shower. Now, if you didn't want that, I think, so you'd have this standard, because this is what we have right now, right? So you have the large walk-in shower. Otherwise, you'd have like a shower tub combo, and then you'd have like a linen closet. Okay. So you got your walk-in closet. All right, so let's check out the 3rd floor. Okay, so we got the upgraded railings. Now we do have a landing step here. I know that's important to a lot of buyers, have a landing step. So this is what you see when you're walking up. So you have a really good sized loft here. Okay, and a nice balcony. Okay, nice little hangout area. Now this is going to be the other suite. So again, this is a king size bed, just so you have an idea. So you got your toilet. Oh, okay, cool. So you can have a stack washer and dryer up here. Well, that's nice. That's convenient. Okay, so dual sinks. And walk-in shower. And then a walk-in closet. Now, I think this walk-in closet is actually more spacious than the one the primary bedroom downstairs. Yeah, guys, that is it for the Pine plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, curious to know what the incentives are, if you're looking to get the best deal on a home like this, guys, reach out to me, give me a call. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.